How to stop pop-up ads on your phone permanently. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can stop pop-up ads on your phone permanently. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's just jump right into it. First step, you'll need to locate your settings, then open it up. After you're on your settings, head over to network and internet. After you're on your network and internet, there you'll find multiple options. What you'll need to do is head over to your private DNS at the bottom, and from here select private DNS provider hostname that I've done like in mine, and just add this dns.adguard.com. Then tap on save, and now you should be not getting any ads on your phone. So using this private DNS is dedicated ad blocking DNS. So this is from ad blockers or ad guard, my bad, for ad blocking and system wide protection. So you can do that and it will stop your ads. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.